Good afternoon and welcome to the MarineMax Pompano Yachting Center. My name's Nick Tyrell and today I have the pleasure of taking you through Azimut's 45 Atlantis. I'm excited to walk you through this vessel, and today we're going to start on the swim platform. This vessel features a unique layout. It has a hydraulic swim platform and additionally has tender storage, so you can have not only a jet ski, but a tender aboard this 45-foot sport yacht. I'm going to open up the tender garage storage here for you so you can take an in-depth look. Now, if you choose not to carry a tender on board, you have a vast quantity of storage space. A lot of our clients like to have sea bobs, hydrofoil boards, paddle boards, also great space for fenders and lines if needed. You also have a 950-pound capacity hydraulic swim platform for a jet ski or tender off the back. So once we have our tender out of the garage or our water toys, this converts down into a nice large sunbed with cup holders. As we come forward, you'll see the controls for the hydraulic swim platform and your tender garage here. You also have your fusion controls and also your exterior light controls as well. As we move deeper into the cockpit here, we have an electric Kenyon grill, a cooler box with a freezer plate, and ice maker with a sink, conveniently located right next to your dining seating area underneath the hardtop. This table also folds out. You can have 6 to 8 people comfortably here. Have a few director's chairs right here, and this is a great space for the family to have some lunch in the shade underneath your hardtop. As we continue to move forward towards the Helm station, you will find an additional lounge area underneath the hardtop and also underneath your nice retractable sunshade here. So if it's too hot, too sunny, you can keep this closed. If you want some nice breeze rolling through here or on a nice day, this completely opens up. Here at the Helm station of the 45 Atlantis, I'm going to walk you through some of the equipment that's aboard this yacht. You have your twin D6 Volvo Penta diesel motors, 480 horsepower apiece, that will propel this yacht to 35 knots top end and a cruising of 30 knots. You also have your joystick controls with your Volvo Penta IPS drives, dynamic positioning, which is excellent if you're weighing for a fuel dock or if you're weighing for a bridge. You hit your dynamic positioning and the boat is going to stay exactly where you hit that dynamic positioning. You also have your side power bow thruster. If you get some tough current when you're docking, you not only have the security of your joystick controls, but you also have your bow thruster to help you out when you're in need. You have your dual Garmin displays as well for chart plotting and making sure you have fuel, water, watching your engine temperatures. Down below, you will find your chain counter and also your Seakeeper displays. When you come down to the lower deck of the 45 Atlantis, you can really appreciate the 13-foot 9-inch beam. It also helps that there's nice port and starboard windows installed in the hull that allow natural light. Feels very light, very open in here. You have a nice U-shaped settee here for dining inside the air conditioning. This table also converts down, so this can be a nice movie lounge area at night right across from your TV. You have a very well laid out galley right across from your seating area with a full fridge, freezer, Kenyon dual burner cooktop, and Miele appliances. A lot of storage in here as well. Cabinet space in the galley, cabinet space behind here. Now, what's truly amazing about the 45 Atlantis is you have not only one, but 2 individual guest staterooms that could sleep up to 5 people. You have 3 berths aboard this vessel. In your master stateroom, you have your own ensuite head and shower. Then you have your day head in the main lower deck here, located right off the port side. And then as you go aft midship, you have 3 additional berths. What is very unique about the midship guest layout is that you can convert the berths to be together or separated. So you can sleep 3 separate people or have a couple sleep together and still have an additional berth. Walking up to the bow of the 45 Atlantis, you'll find some very substantial stainless steel stanchions. These are important for safety, so when you're walking up, a wake catches you, this is going to keep you inside the boat. Once you make it up to the bow area, you have a very ample sun pad here. This is a great area to catch some sun rays and enjoy your time on the water with your family. Once again, my name is Nick Tyrell here at MarineMax Pompano Yachting Center. Thank you for joining me on this walkthrough of the 45 Atlantis. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out.